Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I had a question from one of the guys on the group. Tian wondered about three-phase circuits that's feeding lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just read the regulation, what it states, and then I'm going to explain on the video what happens and where that local switch must be situated. Alright, so the regulation states each identified group of single-phase luminaires supplied from a multi-phase supply that also feeds other luminaires shall be controlled by a local multi-phase disconnecting device. The disconnecting device should disconnect all live conductors that feed the group of luminaires, including the neutral, in order that maintenance work can be carried out without switching off all the lights. That's basically about circulating neutral currents. Now, if you have a look here, you'll see that I've got a main switch, no? A a three-phase light circuit and a single-phase light circuit. Right. Now, if you have a look, you'll see I've got my neutral that comes from my neutral bar. So I've got two circuits, two neutrals. Three-phase goes all the way up to the first room. And lights is usually single-phase. You agree? So I'm gonna have a live that goes to the lights and a neutral. Then I'm going to my next room, I'm using the next phase for those lights, and then the last one goes to the last room. Now, if I use single pole disconnectors over here, and I looped my neutral from over here to the next room, alright, that would have been a problem, because if I switch off these lights over here and I work on these lights, the neutral current from these is still going through the neutral on these lights, so which means this neutral will become live, which is extremely dangerous. Neutral, you never know when it's working or not, so it's very, very dangerous. Now, if you put a double pole over here, the switch disconnector, 20 amp switch disconnector, looks like a normal switch, but it's just double pole. If I switch off over here I can work. These lights will still be on, same as with these lights. Okay? Now, say I've got a single phase circuit that goes to my normal single phase lights in a corridor, for instance. Then what happens is I've got one live that goes to the neutral bar. If I switch this live off, this neutral over here doesn't have current on it. It's no way in hell it can have current on it. So that's why you use a single pole for single phase circuits, alright? And a double pole for three-phase lights if you have a combination of maybe 3 rooms. Each room uses a different phase. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, come to the training center and I'll explain to you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Enjoy your day.